What's going on, you guys? We're back with another quick little video. Dude, as you guys know, this thing comes with the EC5 connectors in it. So I met this kid online on the forum, and he ended up making me this in a 3D machine. Very cool, for the XT90s. So now I'll be able to grab two of these and get these mounted up in here. And as you guys know, on the back of this thing, there are the connectors right there. Put some light on that so you can see it. You know? So I'm going to get that out of there, pull this thing apart, and get these connectors on there. You guys have noticed I got these tires on there. Just messing around, I changed out the hexes and used some that I had for, I believe, the crate. Yep, not the Creighton. I think they're for the Python, because they don't have that little end on them right there. I tried them, they work right on there. I got these tires on there. That's what they look like between the two. But look how tight that is right in there. You know, there's a lot of room on this side. But yeah, they are tight. So that's what she looks like. I'm going to get it torn down and get this out of there, get the ESC out of there, and we'll go from there. The body off, you know. Pretty cool, man. Definitely cool. You can see everything in this good, you know. That motor, and that crap ass servo. Very cool, this rig, man, very cool. Alright guys, so I got this thing pulled down, got the cage pulled on the top. I went ahead and pulled this out of there. Here's the stock one, and what that looks like. You know, these connectors are great, probably I'm good, I just don't, you know, my batteries have none of these ends on them. So all my batteries again are XT90, so might as well do the switch over. All I had to do was just shave a little bit on the edges here, because the XT90s are a little bit bigger. You know, it's a little bit bigger than that. Some more pulled off of it. Got the top plate all pulled off. Everything just came off nice and easy. Nothing's really hard. It's just a lot of work you have to do to get down into any of this stuff. Center diff, you know, front diff. So I'm just trying to get into the steering setup here. There's everything. Nothing's broken. You know, everything's good, but I figure I'm just going to go ahead and replace all these parts. Alright guys, so this is what you get in the package. The servo saver right here, the steering rack right there, and the brace on this side right here. And you get all their hardware. So comes with the bushings, the brass bushings. Alright guys, so we got the new steering assembly all installed. Looks good. I like it in the red. And here's the old setup. Again, nothing was broken on this. Yeah, mine held up pretty good. And you know, I heard a lot of people just driving straight down the road and this snapped, which, yeah, I don't know about all of that. See, I went ahead and got these, the EC5 connectors cut off, and this is what the EC5 came in. This was a 3D printed piece for the XT90s. I went ahead and soldered them up and got them on, and there it is. Alright guys, so I got it all put back together, got the steering rack all done. I ended up just going at it and putting everything back together, but this thing is not that hard to work on, man. If anyone says this is hard to work on, well, yeah, not that hard to work on. Let's see, you can kind of see in there, the steering rack, all aluminum, no more plastic. So I ended up doing that, finishing that up, and let me show you the underneath real quick. And then I did the XT90 setup under there. XT90's done, and the steering rack all finished up right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was very cool to tear it all down and, you know, just see how this thing all goes together. Very cool, very simple, not that hard. I had a good time doing it. Alright, thanks for watching you guys. Peace.